Welcome back. Harbor Freight weekend deal we're going to go over right now. So first, let's zoom in a little bit. Actually, we'll leave it here. Pick one free gift, no purchase required, now through April 6th. Let's click on it and let's read the fine print. Pick one free gift, no purchase required, now through April 6th. Receive a free gift, choose from the 36-inch pickup and reach tool, which is amazing. I've always wanted one. I don't have one, but it'd make picking things up so much easier. Latex dipped work gloves or a 12 by 12 inch microfiber cleaning cloths 4-pack on your next visit. So people are going to stock up on these. Get your free gift going through the 6th. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Valid in-store only, valid through Sunday, April 6th. Inside Track Club member exclusive deal. So 10% off of any single item. So not so great. We just saw 15% off recently off of any item, but it's still 10%. And especially if you're going in to make a purchase, getting 10% off of whatever you're going to go buy is not too bad. So here's a picture of the different free gifts that you can get. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Of course, valid on in-store and in-stock items only. No purchase required. Items 90909 and 909112 and 909113 are not available in Bergen County, New Jersey. Somebody tell me who's from New Jersey? Why isn't that available in New Jersey? Void if copied, purchased, transferred, and where prohibited while supplies last again. And then, of course, we have the 10% off any single item. Limit 1 usage per customer per day, no coupon required. Let's leave the fine print here. Discount applied at register, valid in store and on in-stock and pre-sale items only for existing and new ITC members. Save 10% on any single item purchased. Discount cannot be used with any of the following ITC club memberships, extended service plans, or gift cards. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices, no cash or credit back. Other restrictions may apply, valid same through the 6th. And they might have added, I can't tell, these super coupons are now listed here. These might be new ones, but let's just read through them because they don't look too familiar. We have the titanium 225 inverter welder with electrode holder for $250, $50 off. Then we have the Pittsburgh adjustable shop stool with backrest for $59.99. These are through the 6th also. So either these are old super coupons because the new super coupons, I think we're going through the middle of the month, and these are only going through the 6th. So these might be weekend super coupons specifically. $59.99 for the adjustable shop stool with backrest, 20% off, not too bad. Then we have the Power Probe circuit tester for $170, $18 off. Not too great. 10% off would actually be better than this by a little bit. 10% off of $188.28. It's going to be $18.80. So not the greatest super coupon. Then we have a super coupon for the Apache 5800 weatherproof protective rolling carry-on case, extra large, $30 off. So this is 30%. So this is pretty decent. There are deals that go for the Apache at some points throughout the year up to 40% off. But $30 off, 30% off is not too bad. It's in the buy zone. Then we have the Bauer 7.5 amp, 6-inch, 20mm long throw random orbit DA polisher, 25% off, pretty good. The Pittsburgh carbon steel tap and die set, 40 piece for $17.99, 18% off. The Pittsburgh fully polished SAE and metric combination wrench set, 22 piece for $15.99, that's 20% off. And we have the Bauer 20 volt cordless 3/8-inch ratchet for $50, 16% off. And then we have the Warrior 6-inch, 9-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, 15 piece for $9.99. That's 33% off. And the rest of the deals are the ones that we are used to. We've gone over the spring coupons going through the 14th. We've gone through the instant savings. Well, we haven't gone through the instant savings, but ITC deals through the 1st, dollar days through the 9th. And just as a double check, there's this Predator 5,000 watt dual super quiet inverter generator with remote start and CO secure technology, $999.99, $100 off. It's a little bit less than 10%, so better off using the 10% on this one. This one also is through the 6th. And then the other super coupons, which I do believe we went through, all have the expiration date of the 14th. So I don't have a good memory. Some of these items that are expiring the 6th, I don't recall seeing, but correct me if I am wrong. So that's the weekend deal. Free gift for anybody through the 6th. No purchase required. Get yourself a reach tool, some latex dip gloves, or some microfiber towels. All very useful things. You can use all three at once. And then if there is something that you were planning on buying, give the 10%. If you're ITC, give the 10% coupon a try. It never hurts to try to get an extra 10% off. And I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor freighting, happy shopping. Get your free gift this weekend. Are you going to be one of those people who gets just the towels, maybe the reach stick or the gloves? Or are you going to get 3 sticks, 3 pairs of gloves, and 12 microfiber towels? Anyways, good luck out there. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.